Okay, now let's take a look at how you can connect Zoho with Dropbox. So I have Dropbox account. I have connected that using one of the apps option within Zapier, right? So if you check for Dropbox, it should appear, and I have connected that, right? So apart from that, I also added the Zoho mail, right? So those two options I have ready. So I will go back to dashboard, and within this particular AI prompt there is option for, let's see, when mail arrives in Zoho, add that as text file in Dropbox, right? So I will generate this app, see if it founds anything. Seeing Zoho mail with Dropbox, create text file. So I will try this one. Let's see if that works. Right, so first thing we will have to connect to Zoho mail, and assuming you already added the app, it should work. Now I will add the folder which is going to be inbox. Next is group result. You can go for yes option. Then comes account details, which account is connected. Continue from that. Then test the trigger, and then we will do the same with Dropbox, pointing out the things where we want it stored. So we have one of the options for email. We'll create text file every time that email comes in. So here we'll choose things like space, personal space within Dropbox. Folder we will keep as is, and name is Zoho mail.txt. So this should be right, and then file content should be subject, right? So if we got any new email, it will be visible. Right now, right, I will allow true option and continue. Finally, I will test the step. If it shows status as okay, can go ahead and publish this. It will create one of the text file, and it says Zap is published. So we'll go back to Dropbox. Here you see one of the text file. You can double click on it. It should open the preview. And here you can see the subject of that new email. Every time new email comes in, all the subjects will be appended here. You can also make additional stuff like, let's say, sender, then subject name, and so on, right? So this is the integration that we have done with Zoho mail and Dropbox using Zapier.